What's going on, y'all? I'm coming back with another story. Our governor, Dewine, announces statewide curfew to slow the COVID-19 spread. Whoa, so let's browse through here. Columbus, Ohio. Ohio Gov. Mike DeWine has announced a statewide curfew starting Thursday, November 19th to slow the spread of COVID-19. The curfew will be in effect for 21 days from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Retail establishments should be closed and people should be at home during those hours, the governor said. DeWine adds there that going to work in emergencies or medical care are an explanation to curfew. He says it's also not intended to prevent people from going to the pharmacy or getting groceries. That should be common sense. Takeout, drive-through, and meal deliveries is still allowed, but no food and drinks can be served in person after 10 p.m. Here we go with this dumb shit. I'm glad I ain't pregnant again. We're not shutting down, we're slowing down, DeWine said. The curfew is aimed and help to reduce the number of person-to-person contact because the only way the virus lives is when it goes from one person to another. We have to flatten this curve again, and this is under control. And get this under control. The government went on to say that cutting down the personal contact of social distancing and mask wearing will go a long way to reduce the number of COVID-19 hospitalizations. And for what I'm hearing, it's a lot of them. Officials with the Ohio Department of Health says as of November 17th, there was 3,112 y'all see the goddamn numbers. Too many goddamn numbers. And 5,772 deaths in the state. There's an increase of 7,709 cases in 24 hours. The DeWine explained how hospitalizations have increased dramatically. On October 13th, Ohio had 1,000 people in the hospital. And then as y'all can see, November 5th, 2,000, November 12th, 3,000, November 17th, 3,648. We are at a critical juncture. We need to protect our healthcare workers, even if we take necessary changes immediately. It will take weeks before we see improvement in hospital numbers, even if you don't believe in the mask. Please wear one. Ohio Chief Medical Officer Dr. Bruce Van Hoff said. Here is a look at the total cases and deaths in the Fox 19 Now viewing area. See these cases? Hamilton County 26,000, Butler County 12,000, Warren County 6, Claremont County 4. But the good news is that the vaccine is coming. That's the thing I want to know about this damn vaccine. Like, once this vaccine come out, like, are we mandatory to take this vaccine, or like, do we have a decision? Do we have a choice? Is it mandatory? Because I don't know about no damn vaccine. I don't know about letting them shoot this shit up in me. I just don't know about it. But the bad news is that the situation in Ohio is deteriorating, the government said. That's crazy. The number of, it's crazy. The decision to approve a 21-day curfew was not made lightly, Gov said. So my thing is, so do y'all think 21 days is enough? Do y'all think that 21 days is enough? Like, because I don't know. Because my thing is, like, if y'all gonna shut the shit down, shut the shit down. You feel me? Like, don't just, and that's what I'm saying, they keep half stepping. Like, shut that shit down. You have to care about both of the economy and the health. You can't just care about one in isolation. Based on all of the recommendations, we consider a curfew was the most impactful option with the least disruption. And another step to prevent COVID-19 spread. Ohio Department of Health Interim Director Lance Hines signed a reverse health order Monday to limit the mass gatherings in the state. Now, that's something that I can agree with. Because even like the first lockdown, it was some of you dumb bitches out here still haven't got them 192 people at your fucking house when you want to have more, supposed to have more than 10 people. So that part right there, I can kind of agree with, because how is we supposed to stop the spread if we can't follow simple directions? People, simple. It's not hard. It's not fucking hard. Despite they have ordered that limit mass gathering to 10 people, you guys, 10 people. Because I know a lot of bitches, a lot of them, that's just fucking hardhead. So 10 people. That was signed in April, remaining in effect. We have been implementing separate spread of the virus as a result of backward weddings, receptions, and social gatherings following funerals, the White said. We have seen great tragedies associated with such events. Ooh, it's not the ceremonies causing the problem. It's the parties afterwards. And you know what? That is the big thing. Y'all heard what he said. It's not the ceremonies causing the problem. It's the after parties. Because you black motherfuckers is just fucking hardhead. Dude. Now, listen, follow directions because you motherfuckers are hardhead. He also reissued the mask mandate with several provisions, including an enforcement provision of penalty of violation. So, for y'all that can't understand the words coming out of my mouth, because I know I can't fucking talk, basically what he's saying, you get caught without a mask in the store anywhere, your ass can be in trouble. Dewine says retail stores are required to post signs telling patrons they must wear a mask within the store. And so far I have been saying that, so I can't say like one store I went in that I haven't seen the sign on the door that's. The governor said due to the spread of the virus, the odds of getting COVID-19 are much higher, and I don't want the shit. This is difficult ball game. We must all wear masks, practice social distancing, and protect one another. So, question number 2. Do you guys actually think the mask works? Because it's a lot of cases out here like where people have been wearing a mask, people have been doing everything that they have to do, and yet they still catch this virus. So it have to be more to it than just a fucking mask. Because they keep saying wear a mask and wash your hands. Like it gotta be fucking more to it. Like, come on, y'all. Last week, Dewine sent strong warnings to Ohioans about what could happen in Ohio. COVID-19 cases continue to increase at a rapid rate. The government warned restaurants, bars, and fitness centers will face closure if the spread of the virus does not slow. He said he will evaluate the decision on Thursday. See, and that's another thing. Why do I gotta take you into Thursday to make a decision if you're gonna shut it down? If you're gonna shut some shit down, shut it down. And that's what I always keep saying. Like, that shit don't make sense. Like, shut this shit down. I hate when they just go through and just pick certain spots that they gonna shut down. No, shut it down, shut it down, shut it down. What's so hard about that? Shut it down. Why you gotta make a decision on shutting it down? Because obviously people is not doing what they should be doing. Obviously. And I get it, because I know he tired of facing fucking lawsuits, all that shit. I get it. You's a governor. That's what comes along with that. But at the end of the day, I feel like y'all should make better choices and decisions, especially the fucking president. I think we got one of the dumbest fucking presidents. I honestly think my stupid ass is smarter than the fucking president. Who fucking agree? God damn. Like, put my dumb ass in motherfucking office. Let me be motherfucking government. I can make some goddamn. But I'm just saying, you guys, take this shit fucking serious. You feel me? Take it serious. Especially everybody that's here in Ohio. Like, take this fucking shit serious. We all have to help one another. And I know that wearing a mask probably don't fucking do shit. But come on, let's just put on the mask, you guys. Like, it's not only about thinking about your loved ones or thinking about yourself. You have to think about everybody else. It's not just about your selfish ass. So come on, y'all. Get it together. Get it together. Wear a fucking mask. Now, by that being said, let's talk about the curfew. Well, this is like a statewide curfew starting Thursday. So remember, statewide curfew starting Thursday, November 19th. And you knucklehead motherfuckers, it's 21 days. 21 days from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Please do the right thing. And we can get this thing, we can control this shit. You do the right thing, we get this shit under control. Trust. And it will get done. So all you gotta do is just trust. Ohioans, do the right thing. We got vulnerable people out here. Like, think about your grandma. You see what I'm saying? Think about your great aunt, your mother, your father, your loved ones. Yes, that's what everybody have to do at the end of the day. Start thinking about everybody else and stop thinking about themselves. And trust me, things will go a lot smoother. So you guys, I ain't about to be here that long. That's all I had. I was coming here to let y'all know that we about to go on lockdown. Pretty much. And we about to have a curfew. So once again, before I go, the curfew will be in effect for 21 days at 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. y'all. Remember that. I don't want to see you knucklehead asses outside. So y'all should be getting y'all ass ready to go in the house at 9. Not 9:30, not 9:45. Get your knucklehead asses in the house by 9. Thanks for stopping by, you guys. You like my video, you already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video.